You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these. Name from French originally, Nottingcraft. Let's break it down. French pronunciation first and how you can easily say it in English. Scoubidou. Scoo, O-U together in French form the sound of a double O. Okay, Scoubidou. Therefore, in English you can simply say it as Scoubidou. Scooby-Dooby-Doo? No, just Scooby-Doo. Easy, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.